have Z. Okay, Z is equal to something like A plus B plus C into A plus B bar into A into sorry A plus C whole thing bar. Okay, so this is a huge question. Why? This is not even in POS. Yeah, this is not even in POS. This is in random format. Okay, this is not in SOP. This is not in POS. Why? Here we have irregularity and all the terms are not present. So let's do one by one. First of all, let's remove the irregularity. So if you remove the irregularity, you'll get A plus B plus C into A plus B bar into A bar dot C bar. Okay, so I can directly write this down as, okay, I can directly write it down as A bar dot C bar. Okay, A bar dot C bar. Now we will do the SPOS work because this is in POS. At the first step, we just came to POS. Now we are going to SPOS. So A plus B plus C, we have nothing to do with, so we'll just keep it alone. So here we have A plus B bar. So we have to add CC bar. Why CC bar? Because C is the only term that is missing in this sum. C is the only term that is missing in this sum. So we use CC bar. And what about here? We have only A bar, okay, which means we are adding all the things. All the things. What are the things? BC dot BC whole thing bar. We have to add it. There is no other choice. We have to do it. Similarly, here we have C bar. So we will be adding what? We will be adding AB dot AB whole thing bar. And now we can go to next step. So here we have A plus B plus C. And I can break this down. So if I break this down, I'll get A plus B bar plus C into A plus B bar plus C bar. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this differently. How? I'm going to say I'm going to say let A bar plus BC dot BC whole thing bar is equals to logic 1. And I'm going to say C bar plus AB dot AB whole thing bar is equals to logic 2. So this will be dot L1 dot L2. So let's simplify L1 first. So here we have L1, which is given as A bar dot BC plus BC whole thing bar. So what I can do here is I can use the distributive law directly. So that will be giving me A bar plus BC into A bar plus BC whole thing bar. Okay. So here we know A bar plus BC can be given as A bar plus B into A bar plus C according to distributive law. And here we have A bar dot BC whole thing bar, which means it's direct, right? We just have to break this down, which will give us A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Now we have to finalize this. I'm not going to do this again and again, so I will just teach you a shortcut. Okay, I'll just teach you a shortcut. So let's say we have something like this. Okay, so let's say we have something like A plus B into A plus C. Okay, A plus B into A plus C. Well, we'll just talk about A plus B first. Okay, so if we need to include a C, a new term C into this, we know what we did normally, right? We just add the plus and then we add 0. Then we just use the inverse law. Okay, so C bar. And then we finally say that is equals to A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C bar. Okay, I will attach the last video. Don't worry. So this is what we have to do. So what I'm trying to say is, if you have A plus B, I can say that is equals to A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C bar. So here we have A bar plus B. So what I can say is, okay, I'll just write it here. A bar plus B plus C. Okay, I can directly say into A bar plus B plus C bar. Similarly, here we have A bar plus C. Okay, here we have A bar plus C, which means we have to add B to this. Okay, so we will add B and B bar. That's all. So it will be A bar plus B plus C into A bar plus B bar plus C. And finally, you can add this. Okay, so into A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Okay, so now look at this. We have completely finished L1. We don't have to continue this. So we have completely finished L1. So what should we do here after this? Well, we have to use the idempotent law. Okay, we have to remove the like terms. Okay, we have to remove the like terms. So here we have A bar plus B plus C. Do here also we have A bar plus B plus C. So we will remove that. And then we have A bar plus B plus C bar. Here it's different. This is also different. So we have finally four terms. L1 can be given as L1 can be given as four terms. Okay, so that will be A bar plus B plus C into A bar plus B plus C bar into A bar plus B bar plus C into A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Now we have to find L2. Okay, now we have to find L2. So let's do that. So this is Z layer. So we know this is equals to Z. Now we'll talk about L2. So L2 can be given as uh, this is actually given as C bar plus AB dot AB whole thing bar. So it's the same drill again. Okay, you just have to do the same drill. So it will be C bar plus AB into C bar plus AB whole thing bar. And then this can be given as C bar plus A into C bar plus B into here we are using De Morgan's law. Here I had used the distributive law. Here also I have done the same thing. Okay, I'll attach the last video. So this will be equals to A bar plus B bar. Okay, now we can directly write the answer like I did here. So that will be A plus B plus C bar and then A plus B bar plus C bar and then A plus B plus C bar. Then we have A bar plus B plus C bar. And finally, we have A bar plus B bar plus C bar. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Now we have the final answer with us. Okay, so let's write that down. So let's say sorry, Z. That's what we have to find. Now, first of all, let's remove the same terms. Yeah, let's remove the same terms. So what do we have here? A plus B plus C bar, A plus B plus C bar, and then yeah, we had done. Yeah, A plus B plus C bar. Yeah, that's great. Now okay, now we have to write down the entire Z. We have to replace L1 and L2 with the given intermediate answers. So where can I write that down? Well, Z will be equals to A plus B plus C. Okay, do we have A plus B plus C anywhere else? No, we have to write it down. Then A plus, we have to look for A plus B plus C bar. Yes, we do have. So A plus B plus C bar. Do we have anything like that? No. Into, okay, I'm just trying into everywhere. I'm putting into everywhere. And then we have to check for A plus B bar. Yeah, we have A plus B bar plus C bar. And where else? What else we have? Do we have anywhere else? Yeah, we have here A plus B bar plus C. So A plus B bar. So this is done. And then A plus B plus C is done. Now we are writing this down. So A plus B bar plus C. So this is also now I'm going to write it down. So A plus B bar plus C bar. I'm just going on a pattern. Can you see? See, 1, 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0. Okay. Can you see the pattern that I'm going for? Yeah, if you write it like that, then it will be good. Yeah, that's why. Okay. So let's just keep it like this. Okay, fine. Now, what do we need? Well, we need A bar. Yeah, we need A bar. What is A bar? A bar plus B. Yeah, here we have A bar. Oh, well, we have this also. Yeah, I think it's repeating, so we don't have to write it again and again. Now we have to check for A bar plus B plus C. Yeah, we have. So A bar plus B plus C. That is done. Now we have A bar plus B plus C bar. Okay, do we have that here? Yes, it's the same thing as that. Then we have A bar plus B bar plus C and A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So A bar plus B bar plus C and A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Okay, and finally A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Okay, so how many terms do we have? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 terms. That's weird. We can't have 9 terms, can we? Actually, it's possible to have only 8 terms. How did we get 9 terms? That's weird. Why did I write it again and again? Yeah, this one I have written again and again, so I'll just remove it. Yeah, I'll just remove it. Wait. Yeah. Oh, it's fine. Yeah, you can only have 8 terms maximum. So yeah, and that's it. So this is how you have to do this question. So I hope you understood what we are doing here. And this is the, you know, a hard question that I wanted to show you so that you could be able to do it on your own if you face a question like this. So in the next video, we will be learning something more important. So stay tuned.
Thanks for watching the 16th video on Logic 8 series. If you found this question on SPOS and the techniques we have used to convert from normal expression to POS to SPOS helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more lessons. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Check out the full playlist to master Logic Gates and follow us on Instagram. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. Bye-bye.